All right, folks, Fast Eddie here from Rent HD. What a surprise we have for you today. We just finished breaking in this 2023 Lowrider ST. We had the Lowrider S in the white sand pearl, and it just didn't really get the interest that we thought it was going to. You'll see a lot of the parts from that Lowrider. Of course, it's the same basic motorcycle, but the ST has the fairing, and of course it has the hard bags. But we put the neighbor haters on there because we believe loud pipes save lives. We put the forward foot controls on there, and then we also added an 8 up 2 back riser, which you can see here. And I'm telling you, these bars that are, you know, as they sit up a little bit higher, it's much more comfortable, much more comfortable to ride, just like that old Sons of Anarchy look, you know, and the old Dynas that they ride. 500 and some miles. We just got it broke in, and as you can see, I didn't even take time to clean the bugs off it, so that's on me. But when you come to pick it up and you're in it, I can promise you it'll be squeaky clean. No dead bugs, no mud, no dirt. It'll be ready to go. Of course, we put the brown leather on there from the Lowrider S. And boy, I tell you, this bike is just quick. It's got the 117. I think we showed you that. Yeah, you can see here on the air cleaner, it's got the 117. And you know, it just really gets up and gets after it. I'm going to start it up and let you listen to those pipes here in a second. But let's take a look at these bags real quick. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, you know, just to save it in the comments, I know that the bags are different sizes. You can see here, you know, I don't know why Harley-Davidson didn't do a 2-into-1. I just don't know. They have never and probably never will consult me and say, Ed, what do you think about this? It just is what it is. But more room in these bags than the little leather ones we had on the Lowrider S. And the cool thing about these is they have those little gas pistons in them, so it doesn't flop open and, you know, dump your stuff everywhere. So when you open it, it just kind of eases open. And you can see the gas piston down in there. So it, like we said, doesn't dump your stuff. And then it's got these little nets here too, so if you have small parts or pieces or something like that, it doesn't go rolling out through the cracks. And then of course these lock up with the same key that lets you lock the yoke that's over on the other side. So we are super excited about this bike. We just got it broke in today. I just finished up. We had a CVMA meeting today. In fact, we put almost 300 miles on it today to get it broke in. And we had the bike blessing. Chaplain Gabby from CVMA 48 did the bike blessing, so we appreciate that, so we can ride far, ride often, but most importantly, ride safe. Okay. All right, folks, let us know what you think. Oh, another thing too we're looking at getting is an aftermarket dashboard. I'm sorry, not a dashboard, but the aftermarket, the dashboard. And it's got, lets you hook Bluetooth to it. You can use Android Auto. It's an A105 Lite, I think is the name of it. And it's a little bit better than the Car Pure rides that everybody's seeing on YouTube. But it's going to mount right up here on top of the yoke. It's got, like, it'll give you tire pressures, your speed, plus all the benefits of Android Auto. So we're looking forward to getting that ordered and put in here. We're going to put some more brown accoutrements on here. I think I'm looking right now for some brown spark plug cables. So if you know where I can find them, give me a call. I certainly would appreciate it. And I'm also looking for a leather covered gas cap. So drop me a note in the comments if you know where I can get one of them. If not, I guess I'm just going to have to make it myself. So let's just give you one more walk around, one more peek at this beauty. 2023 Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST. You're going to be hard-pressed to find anybody else in the greater Kansas City area that has bikes like we have to rent out. So give us a call, 816-258-0690, or go to www.rent-hd.com. All right, folks, Fast Eddie from Rent HD, out of here.